Okay, hey guys, what's up? LB Trader here with another daily recap video. Alright, so today is the 12th of July. Alright, the trading day is for 11th of July, a Friday. Alright, it's the end of the week. Hope you enjoy your weekend upcoming soon. Okay, so now it's already about 2 a.m. I had some errands to run, right? So the recording came a bit late today, so hope you don't mind about it. But nevertheless, um, as usual, I'll give you a summary, a quick one on what happened. Then I'll dive right into the recap whereby I do my analysis and we'll get to see or hear what I am looking for the setup. All right. So just a quick one. I took a trade today. The trade went all the way up to 2R. Then I actually moved my stops to break it to 1R plus 1R. Then eventually it reversed back, and when midnight hits, right, it actually reversed back even further all the way back to my entry point. Right. So this is just a quick recap for you. For those who want to see the detailed analysis, feel free to stay on. Right. So let's go. Let's get it. Let me do a playback to this portion here. And I'll go over to this screen. Okay, so here it is, alright? So when the market actually opened for New York session, alright, this is a New York session candle. You can see there's a gray line. So this gray line is actually Q zones, right? You can go to indicators, look for Q zones. You should see that by Oscar VS, right? Pretty good indicator. It just helps me to just reminds me that it is my zone now. All right. Okay. So I'll be more focused. I don't take I I get to segregate the candles that will before the zone. That's what I like about it. Okay. Then now the next thing is I trade with the trend, right? So now what is the trend that I'm seeing? Actually, it's making like a nice higher low, quite clear cut lah. Oh, it's quite clear. So now it came up here, right? So now when this happen, what I'm looking for is that it actually make a high already, right? This is the high area. Let me change the template to 5 minute higher time frame drop, right? So this is already the higher high made. So now I was waiting for a retest. After the retest, entry candle, I'm in. That's about it. Very simple. No need to overcomplicate how you want your trading strategy to be and whatsoever. Just keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. So the retest came, alright. So this is a retracement, very nice retracement. Some people, right, may think that it's time to make is this candle is very strong, right? This bearish candle is so strong that people might even want to take a sell position here. But remember, right, trend. A lot of people like to have this saying that trade with the trend, go with the trend. So don't go against the trend, right? So this candle, that is the reason why I ignore this particular candle here, and I'll just waiting for a double bullish candle, and that's where I take the trade. Because this is the first retracement. This area here and this meltdown area here, I take this whole area as the retracement. Okay, so we'll wait for it, let the candle play out. Right? So this is good. Okay, this candle is extremely good. This one, this candle here. Okay, so my retracement technically I can say is like around here lah. This area is my retracement. So if we zoom out, okay lah, it looks pretty decent. So yep, that's where I decided to take a trade. But unfortunately, when I saw the trade, it was already like this. This candle already appeared. So unfortunately, I didn't get to enter the trade, but I still set a limit order. Right. So previously, this order was actually over here. Then I set a limit order, just wait for it to come back, hit the tap and go. Whether is it a winner or loss, I don't care. I just want to take this trade because this actually meets my criteria. And in terms of trending market, it's very beautiful trend lah. There's no weird ass movement also. It just zoom, go up very nicely. So let's see, right? And my stops, I was referencing this area here, draw down slightly lower only lah. I think maybe moving forward, I might not want to do the extra for stop loss, but we'll see how it goes, right? We'll see. But yeah, so basically the trade went on, and later I'll show you my Discord, because I actually posted this on my Discord as well. Then this happened, right? it almost hit my 1R. So when it hits 1R, that's where I set it to break even, but it didn't hit, right? So I didn't set to break even. And eventually it melt down, this huge ass candle, right? People like to trade all these big candles as well. But remember, right? Remember what I said earlier, is trade with the trend. So this is still an uptrend lah. Why am I taking a down? Why do I want to take a downtrend trade, a short position? So I'll wait. And actually, fortunately for me, this candle actually tapped me in. Right, so I actually got into a trade, and I got into both my account, my challenge account, FTM 100K, as well as my funding pips funded account, my master account. I got in for 0.25% risk lah, because I'm still trying to build it back up. So yeah, I took this trade. Then eventually this area, I got tapped in. So that's the reason why my position is here. Then after that, it went up. Then it came down again, right? It came down again. So if I was still the old me, right, I would have actually like decided, hey, I think I should just break even. I just take a break even here. So already. But then because I've done my back testing, I know what to expect of the market. I have also trained my psychology by reading all those trading books. Trading in the Zone is one of them, so it was pretty good book by Mark Douglas. But the first book I ever read was The Best Loser Wins, something like that, right, by Tom Hugat. Pretty good book as well. Okay, so yeah, with all this training I have already in my mind, I already know what's going to happen. If let's say it ever decides to go down all the way and stop loss, so be it lor, right? The market just doesn't want to give me the trade that day. So yeah, I actually held on. I held it on. I held on. Then we'll see. Okay. Then it finally break through. So when it break through, that's where I move my stops to break even. Okay. So now it's a risk-free trade already. Very good. But then after it went up straight even more to my 2R. Right? This area is roughly my 2R. I'll show it to you. Okay. 2R. This is 2R. Okay, see? 2.01. So this is already 2R. So over here it hit, then I straight just move my stops to 1R. Just to secure the profits. Because I do trailing stop losses. So I'll just wait for my stop loss to get triggered. Either my stop loss get triggered or by 12 midnight I will exit my trade. That's how I manage my trade position. Right? So end of the day, this candle here just before midnight, right, is about 11:35. That's where I got stopped out for the trade, and I recognized or I realized 1%, 1R profit lah. Okay, so just to show you real quick, this is the Discord channel that I have with my friend Mr. Mario, pretty nice guy as well. I put the trading idea here, right? Limit order placed on go for long position. So you see, this candle already happened when I place the limit order. And you see, there's a timer here, 3:57. So at this timing, my phone also got timing, right? 8:46. I posted this at 8:46 also. So I'm very transparent. I'm not doing any cherry picking or bullshit or whatsoever. I'm posting all this every day live on the Discord group. So feel free to join. Click the link in the description. The Discord link is there. Now, after that, I even add on to manage my trade, whereby I'll say I'll remove my limit order if plus 1R is hit. Right. So if let's say it went up all the way, this area here, it didn't come down and tap me in, that's where I remove the trade. It's not a valid trade for me. It is a valid trade, but I shouldn't take it already because by right, if it comes back to my entry point, right, that's actually a break-even trade, right? So that's my strategy. So now, eventually, it tapped in, right? This strong candle here, I even posted my MT5 terminal, so you can see I was already in a profit of 500 USD at this timing here, 4:25. I think MT5 is only on plus 3 GMT, so that's why the timing is at like 4 p.m. But actually, it's about 9:27. So you see, it's roughly there like 25 versus 27. The timing is around there lah. Okay, so I got tapped in. Then hey guy, so we have a member that saw it and he said, looking good. Mario also posted a trade setup. I think it didn't tap, so he didn't take that trade. So he said risky setup because there's not much volume. Because at the same time, right, it's almost 11 p.m. So remember, 11 p.m. the market starts to slow down. So just be careful of that. Then he say, I guess it's not gonna touch my entry. Oh well. Then yeah, another looking good here. Then eventually, I say closing the trade idea at 11:41 p.m. 11:41 p.m. slightly after lah. This candle here, that's where I posted the trade and say, consider trade idea, got stop out at plus 1R. You see, right? 1.8. It was supposed to be 2 lah, but because I keep a smaller lot size, it's 2.1, but it's supposed to be like 2.2 lah, something like that. So yeah, this is the trade that I took. I took it on both my MT5, sorry, both on my FTMO account. So you see here, FTMO, alright, 1.8. Then let me see where I can get my other account. Right, so this is the other challenge account. Sorry, the funded account. I took one here also, 250, 1R. Same timing also, roughly about same time. Where's it? 25, 25. Then 25, 25. This one is 25, 22. So roughly around there lah. Because I put they trigger at the same time. So now, one last thing I want to share, right, is that I'll stop the replay so you can see, right, what happened, right? I mentioned yesterday that once it hits 11 p.m., volume starts to slow down. So you can see that movement starts to get slower around this area here as well. Then when it hits midnight, that's where it'll start to reverse down even further. So in this case, right, it actually hit my break even here, right? So just these are all the kinds of experiences that I got based off my back testing and stuff. So I hope you guys love my daily recap video. Alright, I will still keep posting it daily because, like I said, I want to use this as a way to journal my trades and keep myself accountable. Right, I really need trading to work, so I'm trying to stay very consistent with my rules, right? With my forward testing, and I guess weekends I should start evaluating, look back at my trades and see whether is there anything that I can improve, what to avoid, and all this sort of stuff. Alright, hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bells, comment me in the comments. I will read your comment. I'll respond to you definitely. There's a Discord link in the description as well, so you can join us there. It's slowly growing, slowly. We have already like 8 plus 1, so 9 members here already. So welcome to all those people who have joined, right? Uh, do talk also lah if you join in, right? We are building a community, so yeah, just chat up, what's up, right? Okay, chat us up there. Okay, if that's all, then I'll cut off this session, all right? And have a good weekend, all right? Next week, all right, quick one, all right? Next week I'll be out of the country, so trading videos might be a bit delayed. It might be a bit different as well, because I'm planning to use my phone to do the recording. So we'll see how it goes lah. I might not drop it if it's too tough, but if I can, I will still drop it. All right? So stay safe, enjoy your weekend. Good night. Bye bye.